In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Google Drive space with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're looking to free up space without spending a dime or considering upgrading your plan for more storage, we've got you covered. Let's begin with cleaning up your existing storage, which is a free and effective method. Before you consider purchasing additional space, it's a good habit to start by clearing out files you don't need. First, visit Google One Storage to see what's occupying the most space. From there, you can delete large files. To do this, head over to your Google Drive, click on the Storage tab, and sort your files by size. Removing the biggest files you no longer need can make a significant difference. After deleting unwanted files, don't forget to head to the trash. Open the trash folder and click on Empty Trash to permanently free up the space. Moving on to Gmail, you can clean it up by searching for emails with large attachments. Type in has.attachment larger 10 MB in the search bar to find these hefty emails and delete the ones you don't need. Photos can also take up considerable space, so it's wise to manage them. In Google Photos, you can delete duplicates or blurry images. Also, consider switching to storage saver quality for your photos instead of original quality, which reduces the amount of space they consume without compromising too much on image quality. Next, let's discuss using shared drives or shared folders. If you're part of a business or work environment using Google Workspace, collaborating via shared drives can be a game changer. When you use shared drives, the files stored there won't count toward your personal storage quota, which is a very efficient way to manage and organize projects with team members. Furthermore, sharing links instead of creating duplicate copies of files can save space and streamline your workflow. If these methods still aren't enough, upgrading to a paid Google One plan might be the best solution for you. Google One not only offers more storage space, but also comes with extra benefits. In 2025, the plans include a 100 GB option for light users, a 200 GB plan that you can share with up to 5 family members, and a 2 TB plan tailored for professionals. For even heavier users or businesses, there are 5 TB, 10 TB, 20 TB, and 30 TB plans available. To upgrade, visit Google One, click on Get More Storage, and choose a plan that fits your needs. You can select either a monthly or yearly payment plan and add a payment method, like a credit card or PayPal, to complete your purchase. Upon confirmation, your storage increases instantly. And as a bonus, paid plans include additional perks such as VPN by Google One, dark web monitoring, and the option for family sharing, making your digital experience safer and more secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in optimizing your Google Drive storage.